Agnes and the Little Bird. Village home, early morning. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village in Jinja, lived a 10-year-old girl named Agnes. Agnes is shown leaving the house quietly, without telling her mother. One day, Agnes walked out of her home without telling her mother. Roadside and forest. She walked along the road, and before she knew it, she was lost in the forest. Agnes looks around, scared and confused. Agnes frightened. "Oh no! Where am I? I don't know the way back." Bird appears. A small bird flies down from the trees. This little bird often came to Agnes's home to eat millet. Agnes was always kind to it and never chased it away. The bird saw Agnes and chirped loudly. Bird chirping. "Chirp, chirp, follow me, Agnes." Agnes, hopeful. "You remember me? Please, help me find my way home." Bird guides Agnes. Bird flies ahead. Agnes follows through the forest paths. Step by step, the bird led Agnes out of the forest. Finally, she saw her village again. Home. Reunion with mother. Agnes's mother rushes to hug her. Mother, worried, then relieved. "Agnes, my child, where did you go? I was so worried." Agnes, sad but learning. "I'm sorry, Mama. I went without telling you, and I got lost." Mother, kind but firm. "Always remember, children should never go anywhere without their parents' consent. It is for your safety." Agnes smiling, nodding. "I promise, Mama. From now on, I will always ask you first." Agnes plays happily near her home. The little bird perches nearby. And from that day, Agnes learned an important lesson. Children should always move with their parents, or ask for their parents' permission before going anywhere. Bird chirps happily. Agnes waves. Because safety begins with listening and asking first.